Sorry, my video finished. So there he is. I just plugged him in. My flow is not very even. As you can see, he's going. It's absolutely smooth. Beautiful little wheel. No wobbles at all. It's just you just need to put that foot there. It will keep going until there. It will keep going until the foot pedal comes back down. Lift this up. Really, really smooth wheel. Beautiful. There we go. To bring it down. Wonderful little wheel. Sorry, my flow is not very even. It's just there we go. It's moving. My flow is not even at all. So yeah, it's a beautiful little wheel. So if I wanted to show you inside, I have to turn him upside down. Don't do this at home, please. So I don't know if you can see the moving thing. I think I will have to bring a torch. So slowly. Right, hang on a minute, please. Oh no, where is the torch then?